I got the eFlite F-15 Eagle with armament. I need to do some paint on those missiles so that they show up better. Alright, got about a, looks like a 5-mile-an-hour crosswind blowing from the west to the east. New Year's Eve day. Very cold. About 30, well, it's probably warmed up to about 32, maybe 33, but the wind makes it a little nippy. Alright, here we go. Coming up. Come down here to the end of the field. And again, this is the reality. It's the FMS model's F-15 Eagle with eFlite branding on it, with their paint job and the AS3X receiver, and that really helps this model out a lot. I mean, she is just pretty steady flyer for such a small bird. The high-speed pass there. Underside shot. Another underbelly. She can fly high alpha as well. I probably would not try it at real low altitudes. Get a time check here, got about a minute left. I know, it's out a little far. Alright, let's do a turn and burn on this one. On the next pass here. And go up. A couple of rolls. Just one roll. When you put it in safe mode, you really lose your ability to bank it over, as you should actually. And there's a timer saying that you're got to land. Noisy little critter. There it is, eFlite F-15 Eagle. Thanks for watching.